So guys, if you really want to make profit while trading binary options, then watch this video very carefully because I'm going to show you things that is going to be extremely helpful for you. So basically, we are again using our same parabolic SAR strategy. The strategy is very simple. You make your candles of 5 second. Trading time frames is also going to be a 5 second and decide the amount that you want to invest in each trade. So whenever these parabolic SAR dots are forming above the candle and this first dot have formed and second dot is about to form, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on lower. And whenever this kind of first dot form and second dot is about to form, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on upward direction. Okay, now not all of your trades are going to go right. As you can see here, we have faced some loss, but this is the basic strategy. Now you need to find out the currency pair where that thing is exactly happening. First dot have formed. Now second dot is going to be off in the downward direction. Okay. And as you can see here, we have already made the sweet profit. In this way, you need to make trades. So keep on continue to search for those kind of currency pair where you get these opportunities. So this is also called a headache free strategy, but I would suggest you to firstly test in your demo account in the real time when you are sitting to trade. Okay, and if this strategy working again and again in your demo account, and that at that time only you make trade in your real account. As you can see here, this strategy have failed at here. Now with any strategy you cannot be 100% of the time right. Okay, as you can see here, second dot have form and candle is red and you could have made profit in this chart. So keep on searching for the appropriate place where you can exactly make the trade by following this simple rule. And make sure to like this video. Okay, let's try to find out more currency pair. Here you can see second dot I form and you could have gone right in this trade, but you missed this trade. Okay, now what you can do is you can keep on staying in this currency pair to find out the signal when there is reversal. Okay, and you'll easily get the signal, but I would suggest you to keep on switching the currency pair so you can keep on finding this kind of entry point where you can make the trades. So let's keep on finding here. So here you can see second dot have form and you could have made profit. Here you can see candle was green. Okay. So here you can see we have found a place where we could make trade, and here you can see we made sweet little profit here. So guys, you can always use this strategy, but before using this strategy in your real account, always test it in your demo account. Here you can see second dot app form and candle was going green and we could have easily made the profit. This is as simple as this. And guys, if you want to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account by using the social trading feature of pocket option, then do join my free Telegram channel and see the latest instructions there on how you can start to copy my trades. I really enjoy this trading strategy. Yes, it does fail sometime. Okay, so I would suggest you to not to overtrade. Here you can see this strategy have failed at here. Candle was green. We need to make trade by clicking on lower, but if we had made, then we could have made loss. Okay. So guys, altogether, I wanted to show you this much. I hope this video was helpful for you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.